Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Ford F-150 Harley-Davidson edition. Stock number is A6928. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those do have the Harley symbol right there in the middle, as you can see. They're wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Harley symbol here as well as having the big insignia there. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side. Your rear seats are heated seats as well. Then swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors and a camera, and the hard cap on top. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Your automatic transmission is here, and you have four-wheel drive controls. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.